Do you want to know how you can create a communication code on your Wise account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a communication code on Wise. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open any browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you do have your account logged in. Now what you need to do is click on your profile and go to settings. After you go to settings, scroll a bit down and you can see secure communication code. Set a unique code that appears on all Wise communications from us to you, so you can see the attention is needed. So go ahead and click on it and click on create communication code. After that, you can see that create your communication code. By setting up your secure communication code, you will be able to tell if emails are from Wise or phishing attempts from fraudsters. Once you have set up your secure communication code, it will be included in all genuine Wise emails. So go ahead and click on continue. Let's go ahead and create a communication code. So your code should be 4 to 20 characters in length, only include letters and numbers, and it should be not be same as your password. So let's go ahead and create a code for you. So if it isn't valid, you can see that. So after you're done, go ahead and click continue. So what you need to do is open your Google account now. So go ahead and log into your Google account with which you have registered to your. So open the Wise app on your trusted device to approve this action. So there was a problem. So what you need to do is write down the 4 to 20 characters in length and includes letters and numbers. So after do so, go ahead and click on complete, and you can easily create a code over here. So wait for the email to come and you can approve it and you will receive the communication code. And this way you can easily generate or set up a communication code. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.